cracking open Retro Entertainment Magnum PI on
Hot Wheels Collector Soy.
Alright, so if you like watching our videos, thanks for that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos so you get the know and the new all at once. Alright, so we opened some of that. No. We showed it. We didn't open it.
Yeah, we showed it. It was a mail call.
I'm so used to you opening them. That's why. Yeah.
It was just a mail call. So this one we're gonna do an opening, but we didn't open them for a while now because of this box.
He's waiting for the other piece, right?
Right.
Yeah.
There's a missing one from that set, and let's go over the first two. Right. We have the Ferrari 308 that Magnum drove, and then the helicopter.
What was his name? TC, right? Or TJ? TC, right?
TC. The one that they used to fly around in. So.
Yeah. Theodore Crane.
So what are we missing? The third release from this Replica.
I'm assuming it's loose.
Yeah, it is.
Because I'd be really pissed off if they would roll the damn thing.
Yeah, and this one, as much as it's just the VW van, for some reason it's really hard to find. Inexpensive.
Because it's not the nice VW van. It's the...
No, it's good van.
The other one. The old one.
Yeah, it's the Combi. I think car carriers had the same one.
Oh, wow.
Now, this is not the last release, and it definitely is not the first release either. I've seen those seen those with regular wheels, like black walls.
I used to actually see that van driving around.
Yeah.
Downtown.
If you go past the airport now, they still fly Magnum tours, open door helicopter tours. Free plug.
Do you know the theme song?
I do. And I'm pretty sure everyone else has the same song playing in their head right now. I wish we could play it.
Oh, well, we don't like it busted, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, we've got one. It's not a copyright strike, but we got one copyright issue already on our channel because music was playing in the background.
Not even our fault, that. Wow. Well, somebody had to get their 8 cents.
Yeah. Right. Well, it's music that was playing in the background of one of the videos. So let's open this one last.
All right. So let's open the chopper.
Yeah.
Get to the chopper.
So this is called the Island Hopper because
it's a chopper.
It's a chopper.
Get to the chopper. Dylan, you son of a...
I'm pretty sure Ron Popeil put out a pretty good chopper too.
You know that's yeah.
That slap chopper, right?
You know that's so scary because if this was actual, that van is super huge.
Yeah.
Like you could fit the chopper in the van.
Yeah.
The chopper.
Yeah. So I'll go past the Magnum tours and take a picture. They do have this van.
They still got the van? No way.
And they're still flying this paint scheme.
Wow. That's like a 70s looking style paint scheme.
But nobody's still... Well, there's a big shadow right there. Nobody is driving this one.
Of course not. Higgins ain't going to let nobody drive that.
So...
Wait, what does the new Magnum drive? He doesn't even drive the Ferrari, yeah?
No, he does. I have pictures, in fact. While I'm cracking this open, I'll show you. I took pictures of them flying them in before the pilot.
Oh, no way.
I saw them. Let's put these back here, because let's take a look at this beauty. This.
That one is nice. Really nice. Look at the detail on that.
Right, so I bought these damaged packages, right?
Yeah, because
I'm going to open them, so I don't really...
Yeah, because those are hella expensive, bro.
I tried to get the Hallmark one because they've got a hook on theirs, but it's still $22. But I got this one with $5 off from eBay. It was a buy it now. I got it for $15 shipped. So
yeah,
that's a good deal because this one.
Well, see, you don't have a problem buying loose cars or whatever. Yeah. So for you, it's easy because you can get stuff anywhere. You know what I mean? And that's good. I just don't like people's juices on my toys, but you know what I mean?
Well, depends on what they're doing with those toys.
Yeah, you know, I don't know where they're inserting on massa. It's just, I don't want to be playing them. How come these things smell funny?
It's not like that movie. I'm pretty sure everybody knows which movie.
Yes.
The toy car.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the doctor.
You didn't crash, you wrecked them.
It's totally wrecked.
Yeah.
Yeah, they wrecked them.
Yeah, he wrecked them.
Yep. Look at that Ferrari. That is a beauty.
Yep. Even they get chrome mirrors on that thing. Oh no, that was just a reflection of the.
I was like,
huh?
How do you gonna put mirrors?
I know. I was. That's a reflection right there. The logo.
Oh, you mean right about like that?
No, where your thumbs there.
Over here?
More forward.
This.
Yeah, right there. That.
Oh.
At the angle I was looking at, it looked like a mirror. I was like, how come we got a mirror? Okay.
So I
put up.
Mirror. I did put up the picture. They probably would have seen it. It's a grainy photo because I was at a distance. So, but it was a Ferrari. I think it's a 408. I can't remember.
100 points more than the other one.
But they flew that car in. There was another car there, a Mercedes. Their G-Wagon, I think.
Oh yeah, that one. The one that looked like the one that looked like those old Suzuki Jeeps, just bigger.
Yeah.
What did they do? They still Suzuki's design.
No, Mercedes puts out off-road vehicles like that in Europe and in
who the hell is
Africa like that.
No. I don't want the Chevy 4, off-road vehicle, the Toyota, that's it. No. Let me go bust up on Mercedes, bro, if we go four-wheeling.
Well, those cars in Europe and Africa, they're dime a dozen. They're like Toyotas here.
I don't get that. Maybe we should go to Africa and buy a Mercedes, probably cheaper.
Because it's German engineering, I mean, it's closer to them. But when they bring it to the U.S., it becomes luxury vehicles because it's so expensive to ship, import, all of that kind of stuff.
So actually, Toyotas are luxury vehicles to us then.
Toyotas are luxury vehicles to them, actually.
I don't want that. I want Toyota.
So let's take a look at that Ferrari one last time. We'll put in the island hopper.
All right, so
and the helicopter.
The whole set right there, the Magnum PI, the first Magnum PI now, the original Magnum PI, is what we're talking about. So don't forget to like and share the video with all your friends, families, co-workers, and people who visit you while selling cereal, okay? We are
Hot Wheels collectors away.
New viewers, thank you so much for stopping by and watching all our videos. Check out our end screens where you see links to our previous videos, a video YouTube thinks you might like, and one we think you should watch. We got it all right here with more to come. So stay there. Shoot!